Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Everybody is trying to stay in as much as they can and be safe, keeping your hands and countertops and everything washed. I want to do a couple of updates with the last BoxyCharm video that I put out about the May spoilers. Y'all, I think I'm saying something else. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the Ipsy May bags are revealed. Thank you so much, Stacy McCurdy. Stacy says, hey girl. Well, hey Stacy, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're keeping your mind busy and you ain't going too stir crazy. And I really appreciate you coming by to watch the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, if you remember earlier, I put out a BoxyCharm May Spoilers found video, and it was in Joe's Instagram story that he done this little sneak peek. He loves doing this, but when he reaches back to get the coffee, you could see products sitting right there on the table. I think most of them is what they say, and I've seen a few people and their opinions of what it is. And then I heard a couple of opinions of why they think it's not. Like, originally I thought it was the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I was watching Yori G's channel, and, she said something that really made sense. Since that was in a past box, I don't think Joe would show that as a sneak peek because, he likes to show the exclusive products or the products that are first coming to BoxyCharm. Products that we haven't seen yet. So I don't really think he'd do a rerun in it either. And so now everybody's thinking it might be the Too Faced Natural Eyeshadow Palette. But guys, y'all, I don't know if it's the lighting or the way the pictures took or whatever, or maybe I'm just not seeing it. But if you take a look at this picture, all those Too Faced Natural palettes have got that gold band around the whole palette, right? And I know it's a dome-shaped palette, and it's got a shiny surface. But I'm seeing a white band around that whole palette. Like, it's all white. And I just, honestly, I don't think it's one of those Too Faced palettes. Y'all, I don't know what it could be. I've looked for everything. Now, I found something similar to it, and it was the Cover FX. It's like those monochromatic palettes. But the only difference is it does not have a shiny surface on it to reflect that light. And then again, maybe it would reflect light. So, I'm not really sure about that one. But honestly, I don't think it's the Too Faced because I'm not seeing that gold around it. And I think even with the lighting and the way the pictures took, I think we would still see that hint of gold that goes all the way around the Too Faced palettes. So guys, I think that's going to be something new. So tell me what you think down in the comments, what you think it might be. The other thing that I wanted to put out was another April spoiler. Now there's it's a 3-piece brush set. And on Instagram, I think it was BoxyCharm News, they put down that it's the Oplink Beauty brush, or that's the brand of the brush or whatever. I've never heard of that brand, so I'm quite excited to see that. But I did want to let y'all know that because that wasn't in the video with the April spoilers that I put out earlier. So guys, if I find out anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Courtney Robertson. Courtney says, sending love from Philadelphia. Courtney, honey, thank you so much. That makes me feel so much better. And I hope everybody is well in your family. And just know that this is all going to be over. And you know what? It's just, I feel like everything's going to be so much better once this is over. We're going to have better appreciation for everything and all that. And thank you, honey. Thank you so much for coming by to watch the video. I love you so much, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube's been unsubscribing people for no reason. But if you would check that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.